Hello, my name is Seta. I am from Moala village here in Nadi. I'm here today to talk a bit about the impacts of climate change on us. And the first thing that I'd like to talk about here is how we mainly depend on the ocean to sustain us. Majority of my elders had sustained themselves through fishing, and through fishing they were able to sell them to also earn the monetary income, not only feed themselves but also earn some money. For us right now, comparing to what we used to catch, the amount of fish or the types of fish that we used to be able to catch before, it's not really the same as to what we get now. It's probably because of the change in the temperature of the ocean or the sea. Another thing that we're also facing is how tidal waves easily get into the village. Now, without before we didn't have to face much of these. Right now, Moala village is one of the few villages that will respond very quickly to any tidal or tsunami waves warning, and even if it's raining a lot, we will be expecting floods. Another thing that's impacting us is when the road gets flooded, because it's just along the shoreline of Nadi. It usually stops us from either going to work or school, and stops public transport from coming in or going out of the village. Yes. Another thing that we are actually facing is the salinization of the soil. Majority of what we produce or what we usually farm and usually depend on, such as root crops, we can't grow much now because of the texture of the soil, and the soil has actually got a lot of salt from the seawater, and so root crops are not able to grow well.